How to message a girl in Tinder. If any day any of you would like to message a girl in Tinder because you are a Tinder user but you do not know how to do it, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you can go to the search icon of your mobile device and after that you can search Tinder out there. After you search Tinder out there, you can see the very interface where the Tinder application will be seen. Now you have to tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, Tinder will be launched on your very mobile device. After the very Tinder application will be launched on your very mobile device, you can see the home interface of the Tinder application at first. Sometimes the loading may be late because of your internet connection out there. And after you see that the Tinder has been launched, now you can see an interface like this. Now one thing that you have to remember is in order to message any of the person in the Tinder, first of all the very person will have to be a match of yours. That is, you also have to like the person and the very person may also have to like you back. And this way, if the person likes you, for example, you like the very person and if this person also likes you back, then you can go to the message section and after that, if both of you are a match, you can send the person a very message. So if you would like to message a girl, you can search there, you can just find a girl out there, you can match the very girl and after the girl also likes you back, the very person can be messaged in the Tinder. Thank you for watching our video and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.